always dreamed, like many others, to build or buy a caravan or motorhome to enjoy the freedom with my family during holidays. When my son asked me to go for a camp holiday, I decided to make it for him unforgettable. We found that the ioCamper could be a solution for many other families, so they could enjoy the beauty of nature in their existing van, loaded with the ioCamper. Take a look around and see how many vans are around you, and all of them are a potential motorhome if you think about the advantage of ioCamper. Now we ask your support to make the ioCamper available all over the world. Thank you for your help in advance.
Are you looking for a new way to enjoy the snow-covered mountains? See the slopes in a totally different way on a Snogo, and it's as easy as riding a bike. Snogo introduces a new generation of snow sports by combining the intuitive feel of a mountain bike with the mechanics of skiing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to winter sports, Snogo has a short learning curve. Simply step into the stump pad bindings with any winter boots and you're off. Steer your turns with the adjustable handlebars, and the 13 integrated pivot points do the work, mimicking the free motions of skiing, so you'll never catch an edge. It's stable when it needs to be, aggressive and agile when you ask for it. Snogo allows you to get the most out of any resort. Rip through groomers, moguls, powder, trees and parks with more ease and confidence than ever before. And getting on and off the lift is easy, with a built-in chairlift hook and counterbalance design. Even if you grew up on the slopes, you'll start seeing the mountain differently. Snogo gives you more adventure and longer days on the slopes with its unique design. 3 integrated all-mountain wood core twin-tip skis offer stability, and our patented slat stabilizes the ride while ensuring perfect parallel form on every run. RockShox's front fork suspension reduces impact and fatigue. CNC'd 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum keeps the Snogo under 32 pounds. Sealed bearings and stainless steel hardware prevent rust. And a simple 3-step toolless quick-release system lets you take the bike apart with a single hand, so you're on and off the mountain in no time. We've designed the Snogo to be stable, intuitive, and fun for everyone, no matter what kind of adventure you're seeking. Snogo, carve your next adventure. Reserve yours today.
Introducing Neofit Roller, the world's most compact, convenient, and travel-friendly foam roller. Neofit Roller collapses to just 4 inches, expands to 3 times its size to 12 inches, and goes anywhere you do. We live in an on-the-go world, where travel is a part of daily life, where our bodies are under constant physical strain, leaving you tight, sore, and stressed. And when it comes to looking after your body, few things are as powerful as foam rolling. But anyone with a bulky foam roller knows that they're almost impossible to travel with, even only a short distance. That's why we created Neofit Roller. Now you can experience deep tissue massage and myofascial release anywhere, anytime. Whether it's a flight across the country for business, a long-haul vacation, a trip across town to play sport, the ultra-portable Neofit Roller goes with you everywhere.
More than 372,000 people can be saved from drowning this year. That's why it's our mission at Kinji to provide water safety.
Hi, I'm Tom Agapiadis. I came up with the idea of Kinji after I lost a very good friend of mine 3 years ago. He drowned in a lake similar to this one, and it could have been prevented. When you drive a car, you put your seatbelt on. When you ride a bike, you put on your helmet. But how do you protect yourself in water? We set out to make the smallest inflatable in the world, and we came up with a convenient, non-intrusive way to provide safety to all of those in and around water.
This is Kinji, a portable flotation device that comfortably secures onto your wrist. It's fast to deploy, durable, and contained within a compact design. Kinji helps in case of exhaustion or heavy currents, or when there's poor circulation or cramps. Anytime you're on the water, even if you're just relaxing, you'll want a Kinji for you and a friend.
We like Kinji because it's small. It doesn't get in your way when you're trying to paddle out. A lot of times when you're surfing, there's not a lifeguard anywhere near, so this gives you a little bit more sense of security.
Kinji can stay inflated for over 48 hours. It includes a compass, as well as a whistle for signaling help in case of an emergency.
Having knowledge and good judgment are the first steps in water safety, but Kinji can be an important aid when you're in need. It's easy and fast to deploy, and it's already been grayed out on rescues.
Kinji is durable, and the CO2 cartridge is replaceable, so you can reuse Kinji as many times as needed.
We need your help to start production and fight the dangers of drowning. With your support, you become an integral part of our team of ambassadors, and you'll be the first to receive a Kinji. Do it for yourself. Do it for your friends, surf mates, fishing buddies, and your family. Together, we can revolutionize water safety on a global scale. Join the movement.